This video is on the price prediction and technical analysis of Anheuser Busch, and at this point we are indeed on the monthly chart. And at this point, I would say that this particular chart is very much mixed, and that is because if you were to look at the price action, you would see that we have a block over here in addition to another block over there, right? And as I said, it means that the market, in my very humble opinion, is very much mixed, as we may see the market head up or either down, right? But there is no proper price action movement, in my opinion. Having said that, just also bear in mind that the market had given us this W formation over here, which has a neckline there. And guys, as I always say, whenever we have these patterns, again, we want to see price come back to the neckline to give it a test. And at that neckline is where we normally look for potential buy opportunities, which means that at this level over here, we saw price break into the upside of that neckline and then come back to the neckline to test it out. And as I said, at this point is where we may potentially see the market move further up. However, having said that, just bear in mind that we also have an opposing structure which actually opposes this W formation, right? Which is actually this pattern over here, which is a double top or an M structure. And just like with W structures, right? With M structures, we want to see price again close into the bottom side of that neckline, and then in the future head back to the neckline. And at that point where the neckline is where we look for potential sell opportunities, right? And that's the main reason why I say that this particular chart is actually very much mixed, because within this block over here we may get a situation where price closes below this neckline of this double top and then moves further down, or we may see price actually continue with this W formation, and we may potentially see the market move further up to that level, right? So what am I saying, guys? um Based on the price action, I would not at this point in time buy this particular stock, because as much as I said, we have this pattern and the anticipation is for the market to actually move further up to that level. It is quite possible, because we have this double top, that the market may actually close below that neckline and actually head down to around this level over here, especially because we have this candlestick over here. And what that candlestick is a liquidity candlestick, as it is a bearish candlestick with a relatively small body and quite a long lower wick. And again, it tells us that we have a lot of money stuck here, right? There's a lot of liquidity here, and we may see the market come back to this level again to restart the process again, right? And should it happen that price comes back to this level, at this level is where I would look for definitely buy opportunities. But as things stand, as I said, based on the price action, we should be looking for potential buy opportunities, because in my very humble opinion, we are still in an uptrend. However, due to the fact that we have, as I said, this double top, it is quite possible that we may see the market actually close below this level and actually move further down to at least this level over here, right, to grab the liquidity here. And long term, we may see the market potentially move all the way to this level, right, subject to fundamentals.